The Milken Educator Award is a huge turning point in any teacher's career. What it really does is tells us in the biggest way possible that what we're doing, what we thought was just normal, good teaching, is actually great teaching. And it reminds us that it's the day-to-day things that we do that are really making an impact. And so it gives us the belief in ourselves, the confidence, the validation to keep doing that and to take those next steps and have the courage to do even more. The Milken Educator Award means so much to me. It changed my life completely. I regularly tell people that I was shaking that day and the shock still hasn't worn off. But the biggest thing for me is that it was this award that told me that people saw potential in me. And so it's been an encouragement to me to live up to that potential. And so every day I think, what can I do to make sure that I've actually earned this award? What can I do to make sure that I'm giving my students the education that they deserve? What can I do to make sure I'm giving the education community everything I can to fulfill the promise that education is and to live up to what the Milken Educator Award really means?